Good morning, students. Welcome back to social study class. Today we are going to start our fourth lesson, which is social responsibility. Social responsibility la to kapsla ni suzuki chizo na la te du nganzuki each and every individual sinzula kile yure ra responsibilities sinzu yure and digi ko la nganzu tharing dishi gyare ra changma ki tona ya pute ro chilai. Human beings are social animals, so they cannot live alone. They live in society to share their sorrows, happiness, and satisfy their needs. Therefore, society is a group of people living and working together to achieve a common goal. So, kiran suki di ko suki yure ruwa chizo lana society lana khande re lan ruwa. What is society lana? It's a group of people, right? Anzuki group chini ra mi mangbo group chini nyamdu the che, and we are working together lega inzuina yang nyamdu lega che ani lega chiko kimje dikhana is to achieve a common goal. Sama ki common goal di chipo yungere ra manzu te khwetang kirang gi tanda lega chipo tang lobjong di yapo chang di nang kirang gi future yapo chunga tang kirang nang mo independent cha tang ani nganzu mangches khandi do main common di khari chake la na nganzu ki susuki to di nganzu lai da to de la kyanga chitu khalas ya po sa ra chitu ra dila nganzu ki society lai ra. And human beings are social animals lana. We cannot live alone nganzu chikpo te thui mares ra. Even kirangi examples nzu tongire birds kirangi chiptuk dinzu yinba ina kurang su single chikpo dhui mara mang chi sama group la dhui re rwa kirang ki even kirang ki National Geography tang dinzu la kirang ki taba ina TV dinzu la taba ina mang chi simje dinzu dwa jungle ki deer dinzu yinba ina re rwa sik dinzu yinba ina re tiger lion da kurang su ki trap khandi yuwa ina kurang su khandi ina sama nyam du dhui re rwa nga zu ki mi lai di pan indi to shang chakyu re rwa nga zu chikpo the thwen zu da isolation the thwen kale khakpo re rwa which is why we live in a society nga zu chizo na la de re rwa. We live in a society to share our sorrows susuki sadness ra tunga khade nyang gyo tang ani kibo khande duk tang ani and to satisfy our needs nganzu ki susuki needs nzu khoy kyo satisfy che chidla chizo nal thire ra ani susuki tubo nyang gyo tang kibo yu gyo tang nzu share chi re la re. There are several rules in society which are not written anywhere, but people simply follow them in mutual understanding. So, these they are called as social rules. The kiraki social rules lana khare lana social lana ta nganzu ki chizo laura society lana di chagirwa chizo chagire social kaji rules lana khade tawchre lana there are several rules in the society chizo nalu la tetu kapsla rules tunzo pe mangbo yere ra mangbo yere rules mangbo yutu kapsla which are not written anywhere hina yang kiragi a signboard tahal tang kawala in the publish chi mare in the rules the in the kiragi follow chigo re lani manzu gi signboard nzula charyo mare ra but people simply follow them midin zu khande ba ina follow chi the khande rules the yowa ina ra in mutual understanding chigla samlu tani common understand chini ra dila khale la na social rules le res ra ta ngai gi examples nzu lawa ina social rules na lola for example ta let's say krangi mi shimba chi thu res ra ta mi khemba chi na re okay ani social rules ki examples to lawa ina krangi mi khemba den zu to thu kapsla you pay respect Karangi respect the restaurant any respect to cups like you normally says like tashitalek or namaste leiranganzuki and kirangi ropa tang ania kirangi mi ngoshem batang zu tu cups like you you make an eye contact kherang ki migla mikta ne ani kherang ki je shigir mashi kyablo ne ani hi hello tashtile la ne lai mares lai ra dinju sama khandi doshrena. These are the social rules which are not written in social medias or published in a the krangi signboard tang dinju like krangi tamgyo le sopa tang dinju yo ma e lai ra social rules la tu kapsla nga ju mi dinju ki blindly follow ta chi re lai ra. Rajkumar lives in Hari Siddhi, Lalitpur. His family is involved in agriculture. His family members go to help the villagers during ropai and other agricultural activities. Similarly, villagers also come to Rajkumar's farmland to help him in return. This tradition is called a parma. Okay, so kiranki parma lani koi girerwa Rajkumar la pudi and kurang khala thidla na Hari Siddhi la sajadla Lalitpur la thidos rani. His family is involved in agriculture. Kurang ki nangmi di khawala lega do chidula na shingle do ra ta shinga ta ve. And his family members go to help the villagers during the ropai and kurang ki nangmi imbaina ropai kapsla ropai la tu kapsla ngaji ki planting rice la ra ngaji ki day tap tu kapsla ani kurang ki nangmi din so ani villagers din so ropa chia dui re la ra. And other agricultural activities, the agricultural activities mangbo yura kurang so and din so la kurang ki family di ropa chia dui re la ra. Similarly, villager also comes to Rajkumar's farmland to help him in return. Din nang shinki kurang ki thongmi din zo yura ta thongsep ki thongmi shimba din zo imba ina yang kurang ki nangla ani ropa chigala li re lasta ropa kapsla. This tradition is called parma laitus rata. This tradition dila ngaji khala idla na parma lagi re last kurang ki nangmi di ani villages din zo kapsla ropa kapsla day tap kala ropa che tang ani di chipo me agricultural activities shimba la ropa che ani di nangshin ki chomi shimba din zo hi na ya kurang nang la le ni ro farmland na ta kurang ki shinga tap sa sajat la le ani kurang la ropa chi re la ta return tigit sapla dila khala ila na parma lai dos ra. In village, sometimes when people need some edible goods like sugar, salt, oil, etc., they borrow from their neighbor. And when people need some edible goods, the edibles lana nganjiki such also la sugar tang sale sokpa daw tang nun tang dinju khudu cups la they normally borrow yarki re lai ra shene ani borrow from their neighbor ni ere tang ra next time kurang ki return chi ra with the intention of returning the thing. They do it to fulfill their immediate needs ta thandarang immediate la tu kapsla constant instant thandarang khudu kapsla net let's say kina thadanang la chik kala do chku thre las ran kina la num do tang cha do tang chik me du kapsla nganju ki kimje la kuching kina ki ngala chatis te da lai wa ta tin de around ki village dila. They also lend such things to their neighbor. This system is called pancho. That di kang lai la na this system dila pancho lai dos ra. Okay, ngai ko ni explain chu right. Kurang ki village tang lo la khade dula na ra when people need some edible goods la na ngaju ki such also goods like salt tang oil la sopa do tang chini la sopa do tang din zo khutu kapsla ni kurang ki kimje ina re din zu la ni kurang chu ki boro chi dos ra. And they do it to fulfill their immediate needs nana kurang chu ki instant need thadarang khojo ki needs dila fulfill che chidilan kurang chu ki yarki dos ra. And they also lend such things to their neighbor. Dijuko meba kurang chu ki chala yare din zo right bisha yare la sopa do the lands la to kapsla ngu do nzo la ora. They also lend such things to their neighbors. This system is called a pancho lai dos ra. first thing dila nga ki parma la tu kapsla agricultural activities gaun chikni gaun shimba la ropa chen zo ro sable lega chitu kapsla shinga tavel la ropa chitu kapsla exchange he dila nga ki parma la du painchu la tu kapsla nga ki chala boro chela sokpa to tang ani dichiku mewa ani nga ki land chela sokpa din la painchu la dus. Isha Daubadar lives in Bhaktapur. Many jatras are celebrated there. All the members of the Guthi are compulsorily present in celebrating the jatra. If any members is not present, then the Guthi takes actions or fines him or her. This is a social rule. Okay, Isha Daubadar did like the Pumati, Kawalati Lana, Bhaktapur Latitos, Ramorangi. And many jatras are celebrated there. Jatras latu festivals ladita festivals mangbo celebrate chidu lasra, and all the members of the Guthi are compulsorily present in celebrating the jatras. Okay. Jatras latu manches indi josh festival latu nganchi ki never did in ki never community din ki celebrate chi re ra, and all the members of the Guthi are compulsorily present lana Guthi la chopa dinang lo la ani members mi ra lega chige ta khan la re chopa dinang lo mi bo din zo changma inji mi compulsorily present chorus, right? The festivals they celebrate chitu kapsla, and if any members is not present, then the Guthi takes action. Member the present mewa ina like absent chawa ina, and then they take actions or fines him or her, like fine land in the cheated like. And this is a social rules. The Quran sugi social rules to check it those ra fine land le sopadot. Such rules helps to develop a social harmony. These rules this helps to develop a social harmony. Chizo nawalani peace the leader like the mi kashi mali doshina conflict yonga ki chances the high right. Rules mo ni yo wa ina ani midun zu changma gi follow chidu ani suina ya miss chi mari laira. Guthi is a traditional social organization which is popular among the Nevar community. Okay, the Guthi lana khante to chilena, it's a traditional ngomani anzuki yugyo chokpa do chire ra chizo social organization chokpa chire ra, and which is very popular among the Nevar community. Quran ki nangla la pe Quran ki keta chimbu chire ra Guthi la to. Guthi also helps to perform death rituals in case of death in any family members of the Guthi. Okay, and the family Guthi nanglo la nangmi din zo mangbo yungi ra, like members din zo mangbo yungi ra, member ki nanglo ni Quran so ki families din zo yungi ra. In case of any death of their members, they help to perform death rituals. Lana Quran so ki a member nanglo la mi yungi ra, mi di Quran ki families din zo yungi ra. In case the Quran so tongwa ta sudden accident or chawa ina dwa, and Quran ki nganzu ki death ki rituals nganzu ki perform chigora ta mi thongdu khande shini nganzu ki tinjik do simet la sopa do ta tinju rituals nzu la Guthi Quran ki members nzu ki rang ki ropa chire la re. Mohan Kaka bought a new car. He performed a puja before he started using the new vehicle. The tradition of doing puja after someone buys a new property is also called a social culture, which is generally followed. Mohan Kaka digi khan chidlana Quran ki moda sawach new shastra, and he performed a puja before he started using the new vehicles. Nganzo imba ina yang kira nang la bike do tang chik chala do chinyo ai nang nganzo ki puja do chik ta chi ra chu do chik ra nganzo even nganzo ki scooter do tang nang la new to caps la khada kwen la sokpa do tang chik puja do chi chi do chi re ra din nang shingi Quran imba ina yang kar di matangu ni ani Quran ki puja do chi do ra. The tradition of doing puja after someone buys a new property is also a social culture, cultures which is generally followed by everyone. Even in our society, Tibetan society, when we build a new house, khala gore lama do tinte do chi shang tinte do chi lama do nzu ki tang ani chu do chi lo ani nganzu ki ani next day la nganzu ki khala gore chala den chu changma di tiye den chu tik ani nganzu shugla ni nya la so pa do tan su su nang la pe la so pa inde do chi chi re ro di zu changma nganzu ki khala gore social ki culture chi chak yu re mi changma ki follow do chi chi re right. Few months back, Urmila Bhauju daughters got married and all the villagers helped her in the wedding ceremony. Paudal uncle Pramila Didi and Showa aunt helped in decorating their house. Janaki Kaki, Pratap Kaka and Ramesh Thai helped after the guests. Similarly, in Paudal's uncle's son Bratabanta and Pramila Didi's daughter's naming ceremony, all the villagers helped them in many ways. Okay, the dinjo changma social rules daw chakire ra. Few months back, the dawa khashi ngoni and Urmila Baujudi morangi Pumudi Changza kept those ra, and all the villagers helped her in the wedding ceremony. Morangi Changza lani ropa chishas right. Changmagi. Paudal uncle, Pramila Didi, and Showa aunt helped in decorating their house. The Quran Suki Changza kept to Nang Dinzoin by Nangazuki, Changma Suela Sopatang, any decoration mendok tang balloon char la sopato tang, that in the year legat in the Mangbo Yungirawa, then Sangmalani, Pramila tang, Paudal uncle, and Showa Didi, Showa aunt ki ropa chisha. Janaki Kaki, Pratap Kaka and Ramesh Tai looked after the guests. The misum di khang chidlana guest laura ta kundu ta li ra ta nganzu chi changza do la ke tang de mi khem ba tang de li du an quran chola ani guest zola ta dos ra ta mi din chu changmala. Similarly, in Paudal's uncle's son Bratabanda, the Paudal uncle Quran ki right ngoma imba ina Paudal uncle ki nang decorate chela ropa chiwa nang shinki thanda imba ina Paudal uncle Cranky pu ki brata banda lana thread ceremony to shure the Cranky Brahmin sinji ki kupa kwen to shure ani dilani Cranky and Pramila Didi's daughter naming ceremony lana nganchi pu ki tu ani nganchi ming ta do chuwa dila ani nuaran le Nepali ke la Dinzo lani Quran Suki Yama Ropa Chire like the villagers Sangmaki, all the villagers helped them in many ways. The Kang Tata ani Ka Tony Ropa Chikodu Lani Sangmala Quran Nile Naya Ropa Ratu Ra. These are some of the social rules followed in our societies. The Quran's in Nepalese society now in Noran Dang Dinzo Yudu Atang Anzo Ima in a Noran Dota Yomari, right? In a young Azuki Changza Dotang Ani young Kala or a death rituals into Langanziki, Ropa Chi, right? This is some Kalana social key rules to Shakure. These are not written anywhere. Kawacha Latia Mari, but we blindly followed in Zunganzuki social okay. Manzuki, Dinzo can't Shakilana social key responsibility Shakure. These rules are necessary to maintain the harmony and discipline in the society. That's so nanglo latinzo discipline tang peaceful young chidlang and so rules and so follow in chimijik chigures, right? Maintain pani chigure, follow young chigures. This helps in preserving our social values and norms and so and so preserve chigure, right? And we should adopt and follow a good custom of our society. Society ithoni ani nganzuki good customs tang ani dinang shinki nganzuki dinzo ideas nzo nganzuki follow chure continue kirkures thanda nganzuki michik la shela ropa chela sopa do tang ani like nganzuki mi khemba tang dinzo la obey chela sopa do tang respect che tang Dinzo changma thanda ni nganzuki continue to care wa ina nganzuki long run chidla yakpu yongire, right? Next generation chidla nganzuki culture lanare tradition di follow chidwi res, right? Ani the in case nganzuki di lo di nanglo rang dinzuki nganzuki megyo tang in this so in the next generation dinzuki indiki importance tang and social responsibility lana khandire lani hakoiki mare lai, right? And we have to discard the bad one, means if we have to get rid of the bad one. Do a khande do dinzo ganche ki get rid chures, right? Ganche ki pijo tanga meres. Okay, ani takarai sangma yakpo gotsuai ki rewa yu. Thank you.